Fear is not the enemy, it's a signal. It's your mind saying something important is happening here. But most people were never taught how to work with fear. They were taught to run from it, to hide it, to shut it down. So when fear shows up, heart racing, voice shaking, that feeling in your gut, we assume something is wrong. But fear isn't a weakness, it's wiring. When you experience fear, your brain activates an ancient alarm system. Your amygdala senses danger, real or imagined. It sends emergency signals to your hypothalamus, which kicks your body into high alert, increased heart rate, adrenaline rush, shallow breathing. Then your hippocampus tries to make sense of it. Have we seen this before? Was it dangerous last time? This system evolved back when we lived in caves, when we needed to run from tigers, hide from rival tribes, or react instantly to survive. That fear response saved lives, but we don't live in caves anymore. There's no tiger chasing you when you speak up at work. You're not in danger when you say how you feel. But your brain doesn't know that. Your brain is still operating from a survival blueprint. It's genetically programmed to keep you safe, not to make you brave. This is where it gets exciting. Your brain is flexible, it's constantly adapting, and with enough repetition and the right techniques, we can retrain those old fear pathways. That's what we do in hypnotherapy. We work directly with the subconscious where the old wiring lives. We break the loops of panic, self-doubt, and avoidance, and we recode fear into fuel for action. Instead of "I can't do this," we wire in "I'm ready for this." Instead of shutting down, you show up. Let me give you a few ways to start doing this yourself. First, we can set a physical anchor. When fear strikes, your body gets tense, but you can anchor safety into your body fast. You can do it in many ways. You can clench your fist, put your fingers together, or place your hand on your chest. Press gently, breathe in deeply, and say to yourself, "I am safe, I am strong, I've got this." Do this every time you feel calm or proud, even when you're not afraid. You're training your brain to associate that touch or gesture with confidence. Over time, this anchor becomes a shortcut to calm and courage. We use the same concept in hypnosis and it works beautifully, but you can start building your own version right now. Second thing will be using your breath as a reset button. Fear makes your breath shallow, which tells your body it's in danger. But when you take control of your breath, you send the opposite signal. "I am safe now." Try this simple technique. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do that for just 60 seconds and you'll notice the shift. Your heart rate slows, your thoughts get clearer, your body softens. That's your nervous system resetting. And the third thing you can do is shake it off. Literally, when animals experience fear, they shake. They release the energy, but humans hold it in. So here's your permission to shake it out. Stand up, bounce lightly, shake your hands, your arms, your legs. Imagine the fear leaving your body like static. This physically discharges adrenaline and helps reset your system. Just like after a good workout where your body releases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, you can use movement to turn stress into power. That rush of energy, that's your fuel. That's your courage kicking in. Think about a performer about to go on a stage in front of 1,000 people. Do you think they don't feel fear? They do, every time. But they've trained themselves to feel the nerves and do it anyway. They channel the fear into presence, passion, and power. Or someone giving a public speech for the first time. Their hands shake, their stomach flips, but instead of backing down, they breathe, anchor in calm, and focus on connection. That's resilience, and it can be trained. During hypnotherapy, we access the subconscious where all those automatic fear responses live, and we gently begin to rewire them. So instead of fight, flight, or freeze, you step into clarity, calm, and confidence. You stop overthinking and start trusting yourself. Fear doesn't go away forever, but it stops running the show. You become the driver again, and fear becomes your fuel, a sign that you're growing, stretching, becoming more than you were yesterday. If you're ready to stop letting fear hold you back, if you want to turn your fear into power and start living boldly, check out my guided hypnosis for courage and confidence. It's time to step into your power, not tomorrow, now. You are not broken, you are becoming. And this is what growth feels like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.